Hi, everybody. Welcome to example 3, where we will be focusing on an initial value problem. So here we are given f prime of x, meaning the derivative equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. We are given an initial value. So let's say initial value f of 1 equals 4. So what this means is if x equals 1, y equals 4. So we're given this initial value, and I need to find the original function f of x. So I have a derivative, I need to find the original, so I need to integrate. So step 1, integrate. So I'm going to take the integral, or excuse me, f of x, what we're trying to find is going to equal the integral of the derivative. So 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. I need to integrate this. So when I integrate this function or this derivative, it becomes 3x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 4x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 2x. And don't forget your c, because that's going to come into play in a few steps. So if we simplify this out, we get 3x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. So if we simplify a bit, we get rid of these 3's, this 2 cancels out, this 4 becomes a 2, and what we're left with is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x plus c. So this is almost our function. But here's the catch. We got to figure out what c is. And figuring out what c is, this is where that initial value is going to help us out. So in the step 2, we'll say find c. Okay, so I'm going to use that initial value they gave us, f of 1 equals 4, and I'm going to plug that in to our f of x to figure out what c is. So if x equals 1, y equals 4, the way I would write this input output is 4 equals 1 cubed minus 2 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus c. So my goal is to figure out what c is so that I know what the original function is. So this becomes 4 minus 4 equals 1 cubed is 1. 2 times 1 squared is just going to be negative 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus c. So if we keep simplifying, 1 minus 2 plus 2 is going to be 1 plus c. I subtract 1 on both sides, and I get 3 equals c. So, therefore, the function I'm looking for this initial value problem, I'm going to plug back in 3 for c. And what I end up with is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x plus c. And that's my final answer. Okay, so that's example 3. There's also an example here for example 2. I'm not going to go over it. If you want to try it out yourself, feel free to. What you should end up with is f of x equals 2x to the fourth plus 6x squared plus 3x minus 3, where you should get C for that -3. So give it a shot if you want to. It's the same steps like 1 and 2, and check your work if you want that extra practice. But that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.